everybody, this is the home we build again, and welcome to our channel. Now today we are going to prepare Tum Ma-muang. Okay, Ma-muang means, what is that?
Mango.
Mango. So thank you again. Can you say it again please, Kuya? In Thai, Ma-muang is?
Ma-muang is mango.
Yes, okay. So then thank you, Kuya. This is my son, guys. So the main ingredient for this Tum Ma-muang is Ma-muang, meaning mango. Okay, so this is very popular here in Thailand, so I hope you enjoy watching. Bye bye. Okay. So here are the ingredients of our Tum Ma-muang. You have dried shrimps, garlic, carrots, a little bit of lemon, sugar. I just actually syrup. I just put sugar and water all together, and then fish sauce. As you can see, my fish sauce, guys, has some chili. Of course, you can put some tomatoes and any vegetables you like. Of course, don't forget your green mangoes, guys, and fried peanuts.
Okay, so we have finished the green mango salad, and in Thai it's called Tum Ma-muang. Tum Ma-muang. Like it was salty and it's sweet and sour. It's basically like the perfect combination. Like it's perfect for everyone. You can also like add shrimps, but like my brother, a little bit of me, is like our like allergic, so we get allergies. If not, then we have like itchy ears. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and watch more of our videos. Bye.